Decorating your home for Valentine's Day is a fun way to create a romantic and cozy atmosphere. There is no specific color scheme for Valentine's Day decorations, as it often depends on personal preferences and the type of atmosphere you want to create. Here are some ideas on how to decorate the living room, dining room, kitchen, and bedroom. In the living room. 1. Use heart-shaped pillows or cushions on the couch or chairs. 2. Hang a garland made of paper hearts or string fairy lights with heart-shaped bulbs along the walls or fireplace mantle. 3. Place scented candles, particularly ones with romantic scents like rose or vanilla, on tables or shelves. 4. Swap out your normal pillows and blankets for ones in pink, neutral, red, or with romantic designs. However, the most commonly associated colors with Valentine's Day are 1. Red, the color of love and passion. Red signifies deep emotions and is the most popular color associated with Valentine's Day. 2. Pink, a softer and more delicate color. Pink represents sweetness and tenderness. It is often used to create a romantic atmosphere. 3. Neutral, soft and soothing neutral colors can create a dreamy and whimsical atmosphere on Valentine's Day. Combine the color of your preference with white, symbolizing purity and innocence. White can be incorporated to add elegance and sophistication to your Valentine's Day decorations. In the dining room. 1. Set the table with a red, neutral, or pink tablecloth or table runner. 2. Use heart-shaped placemats or coasters. 3. Place red or pink candles in the center of the table. 4. Arrange fresh flowers in a vase, such as roses or tulips. 5. Set out Valentine-themed tableware, such as heart-shaped plates or glasses. In the kitchen. 1. Hang heart-shaped decorations or garlands from shelves or cabinets. 2. Display Valentine's Day-themed dish towels or pot holders. 3. Fill glass jars with heart-shaped candies or chocolates for a festive touch. 4. Place a bouquet of fresh flowers on the kitchen counter. 5. Leave love notes or sweet messages for your partner or a letter in an envelope of the color of your choice. In the bedroom. The most important aspect of Valentine's Day decorations is to create an atmosphere that reflects love, romance, and personal style. 1. Dress the bed with red or pink sheets, and just a cushion with a message or heart print can make a difference. 2. Hang string lights with heart-shaped bulbs around the headboard, sign frame or mirror. 3. Place scented candles on bedside tables. 4. Hang romantic artwork or love quotes on the walls.